Hey guys, today I am super excited about the videos that are going live for two reasons. First of all, it seems that a lot of my subscribers are either theater students or huge fans of theater, so it was no surprise at all that you requested a tutorial to the music from Hamilton. Today on my channel there are two videos going live, a intermediate advanced version of my shot from Hamilton, and there is also a simplified version of the choreography for beginning tappers as well. I am also excited because today in the US is Giving Tuesday. And in these videos, I have partnered with a wonderful organization called Preemptive Love. The mission of Preemptive Love is to end war and spread love by providing aid to people in need across the globe. So I encourage you to check out everything that Preemptive Love is doing across the globe. You can do that here. And I will also put additional information about what they're doing in the description box below. Okay guys, let's learn this combination to my shot from the musical Hamilton.
I am not throwing away my shot. I am not throwing away my shot. Yo, I'm just like my country. I'm young, scrappy, and hungry, and I'm not throwing away my shot. I'ma get a scholarship to King's College. I probably shouldn't brag, I amaze and astonish. The problem is a lot of brains with no polish. I gotta holler just to be heard with every word. I drop knowledge. I'm a diamond in the rough, a shining piece of coal, trying to reach my goal. My power of speech unimpeachable. Only 19, but my mind is older. These New York City streets get cold. I shoulder every burden, every disadvantage.
Okay, we're gonna learn this combination in 3 sections. Each section will be 2 counts of 8. So let's get started on the first 2 counts of 8. We're gonna start the combination on our right foot with a step heel. Step, heel. We're gonna cross that left foot over and do another step heel. Step, heel. And then we're gonna take our right foot and uncross it and do a touch, step, heel. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, heel, touch, step, heel. So the counts are 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. The next step we're going to do is a scuff with the left heel, scuff, and a smack with the left toe, smack. A smack is when you slap your foot down with a straight leg. So a smack can either have weight on it, put your weight on it, or you can do a smack without putting weight on it. This smack will have weight on it. So we just did the scuff with the heel and smack. We're putting our weight on it. So the weight comes over this way to our left foot. Then we're going to do a cramp roll starting with the right foot. A cramp roll is toe, toe, heel, heel. So we are going to start that cramp roll with our right foot because our weight, we just smacked, and our weight is on our left foot. So here we go. We do step, step, heel, heel. That is a cramp roll. You are going to actually jump into this cramp roll. So we just did our scuff, smack. We're gonna jump up into that cramp roll. Right, right, left, left. Toe, toe, heel, heel. So the counts are from the very beginning, very slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and we're gonna keep going. Now you are going to do 2 paradiddles. First, starting on the right foot, paradiddle, then one on your left foot, paradiddle. If you're not familiar with the paradiddle, you can definitely check that tutorial out. I will link it right up here, so it's easy for you to find. So again, we do 2 paradiddles, one on the right foot, paradiddle, paradiddle. Then we're going to do a box step, starting with the right foot. A box step, is right foot, cross over left foot, step back right foot, and touch. So again, that box step is step, cross over, step back, and touch. So you're making a little box. Step, cross, that's the front part of the box. That's down to the side. And normally you would step out here, but today we're just gonna touch. From the beginning, with the counts, very slowly. A 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, touch. Now if you want to make that box step a little bit more complicated, let's add some heels. You don't have to do this, you can just do the plain old box step, but for those of you who want a little bit of a challenge, let's add the heels. So rather than step, cross, step, touch, we would do step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, touch. So let's do it from the paradiddles. A 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and touch. Okay, let's try this section. That's section 1. You made it through section 1. So let's try this section without music. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Great, let's do that with music.
I am not throwing away my shot. I am not throwing away my shot. Yo, I'm just like my country. I'm young, scrappy, and hungry, and I'm not throwing away my shot. I'ma get a scholarship to King's College.
So if you had a little bit of trouble with that last bit, it's totally fine. Just go ahead and keep going back to the beginning of the video and reviewing everything until you feel really comfortable with that. And then you can move on to section 2. So let's get started with the next 2 counts of 8. We just finished the box step, 5 and 6 and 7 and touch. So our weight is on our right foot. We're just touching on the left. Now we're going to start shuffles on the left foot. We're going to do 3 shuffle steps, left, right, left. Starting with the left foot, we do a shuffle step, 1 and 2. Then we do the same thing with the right foot. 3 and 4. Then with the left foot, we do shuffle. Here we don't step, we do a ball change, shuffle, step. So let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, step. One more time with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Great, we're gonna keep going. Now we're gonna do 2 shuffle steps. 1 on the right foot, shuffle, step, shuffle, step. Now we're going to do something called a clunk. A clunk uses either the inside of your foot or the outside of your foot. Take a look. Clunk. You're hitting the floor with your entire foot at the same time. Clunk. You can also do a clunk like this, but today we're doing it with the inside of our foot. So we are going to do a clunk on the right foot, step, a heel dig on the left foot, kind of catty corner to the front, step, another heel dig, this time with the right foot to the front, kind of catty cornered, step, and a clunk with the left foot. So that's going to look like this from the shuffles, the 2 shuffle steps starting on the right. Shuffle, step, clunk, dig, dig, clunk. So let's start from the shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, step. Here we go. A 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, step. 2 more. Step, shuffle, step, clunk, step, clunk. Okay, let's try the whole thing from the beginning without the music. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, let's try all of that with music.
I am not throwing away my shot. I am not throwing away my shot. Yo, I'm just like my country. I'm young, scrappy, and hungry, and I'm not throwing away my shot. I'ma get a scholarship to King's College. I probably shouldn't brag, dag, I'm amazed and astonished. The problem is I got a lot of brains but no polish. I gotta holler just to be heard with every word. I drop knowledge. I'm a diamond in the rough.
Okay guys, you're doing great. We are on the final section of this choreography, so let's get to it. Okay guys, so we just finished our clunks and our digs. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Our left foot is ready to go. So we are going to do 2 steps forward, and these are actually called stamps. A stamp is using your entire foot, and you're going to put your weight on it. So we do a stamp on the left and a stamp on the right. Then we are going to do something called a heel stand. Sounds kind of complicated, but it's not at all, and it's a lot of fun. Now we're going to pop up on our heels, up and back down. So one thing that you want to do when you're popping up on your heels is hold in that core. Up, down. The counts are 1, 2, 3, 4. So we just finished our last clunk. We're going to do stamp, stamp, up, down. The next step is a step, shuffle, hop, step. We're going to do the step on our left foot. Step, we're going to shuffle with our right foot. Shuffle, we're going to hop on our left, hop, and a step. Step, shuffle, hop, step. Step, shuffle, hop, step. So we just did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 6. Okay, so we just finished the step, shuffle, hop, step. Now we're going to do a step, shuffle, ball change, step. Take a look. We just did step, shuffle, hop, step. Now we're going to step again on the left foot. Step, shuffle. This time we're not going to hop. We're going to do a ball change, step. Ball change, step. So again, those 2 together. Step, shuffle, hop, step. Step, shuffle, ball change, step. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, shuffle, hop, step. Step, shuffle, ball change, step. Okay, let's go from the end of the clunk. So we'll do the 2 clunks and the 2 heel digs, and then we'll keep going from there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a 6, 7 and a 8 and. Let's keep going. We're going to step in on the left foot, step. We're gonna shuffle again on the right foot. Shuffle. We're going to do a little toe stand, which means you put your weight on your toe. You're gonna keep your knee bent. Toe step. So that looks like step, shuffle, up, down. It's hard to do it slowly. Try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3. Then we're gonna do another shuffle or a brush to the front. Brush, and then we're gonna smack again. And we're putting our weight on it again. So let's go very slowly again for the step, shuffle, hop, step. Step, shuffle, ball change, step into this new section, okay? 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and the 6, 7, and the 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6, 7, and the 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Then we're gonna finish this out. We're going to do a heel dig and rotate on it. 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. So I'm gonna do that to the front so that you can see it a little bit better. So we just finished the step, shuffle, toe, down, brush, smack, dig, step, step, dig, step, step, stamp. And that's the end. Let's do the entire combination one time through without the music, and then we'll finish it up with the music. Okay, here we go. Stick with it. You can do it. And if you can't do it, just rewind and learn it again. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the 6, 7 and the 8, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Let's do it with music.
I am not throwing away my shot. I am not throwing away my shot. Hey, yo, I'm just like my country. I'm young, scrappy, and hungry, and I'm not throwing away my shot. I'ma get a scholarship to King's College. I probably shouldn't brag, Dad. I'm amazed and astonished. The problem is a lot of brains, but no polish. I gotta holler just to be heard with every word. I drop knowledge. I'm a diamond in the rough, a shining piece of coal, trying to reach my goal. Power of speech, unimpeachable. Only 19, but my mind is older. These New York City streets get cold. I shoulder every burden, every disadvantage I've learned to manage. I don't have.
Woo! I am tired. I hope you guys had just as much fun as I did today working on this combination. I would love to see it, so please make sure to tag me on Instagram so that I can check out your progress. And also make sure to check out Preemptive Love. Again, I will put that information in the little box below. They are an amazing organization and they would love any support that you could give them. And don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and comment below. All right, you guys, have a great one. I'll see you soon.